guys! Today we are going to be modeling assault rifle. First we're going to press Shift A, then zoom down the image. Then we're going to click reference. Choose your reference. I'm going to be using this assault rifle reference that I got off of Google. Now click Shift A again and go to Mesh. Select a cube. Drag the cube over to the comb of the assault rifle and press S to size it down. Then we're going to drag it over to the end of the comb and we're going to size it down just to the right size of the end of the comb. Then we're going to press R to rotate it over so it looks just like that. Now we're going to select our cube again. Press 3 on your number panel on your keyboard, then drag it closer to the assault rifle reference. Then we're going to select our cube and go up to the top where it says object mode and switch it to edit mode. Then go to the top right next to edit mode. There is 3 buttons. Click the third one. And select the end of the cube and drag it out. Then you're going to size it up with the end of the comb. And then we're going to press S and drag. Then we're going to line it up again, press S and drag. Now we have the comb of the assault rifle. As you can see, it's a little tilted because of when we sized it. So we're going to press 3 again on your keypad and you're going to drag it in. Now press 7 and then press R and rotate it so that it's straight. Now that we have the comb of the assault rifle, we're going to line it up with the end and make sure everything looks straight. Now press Shift A and grab another cube. Size this cube down with S and drag it to the comb of the assault rifle. Then we're going to make sure it presses, but as you can see, it's way off. So press 3 again and drag it out to the corner. Now we're going to make sure that it lines up with the comb perfectly. We're going to drag the top up a bit so that it's a bigger body. Now we're going to select the side where it's short and we're going to drag it out. We're going to drag up the top a little bit and now we have a body. Now we're going to select 2 spots and we're going to select the head of the body, top of the body, and we're going to press bevel and press Ctrl D to bevel down the edge. Now we're going to do the same with the bottom corner. Now we're going to press Shift A again, and we're going to make a new cube. We're going to drag this cube to fit and size it down. Then we are going to drag it over to to the first handle, we're going to make it match the size. Then we're going to press R to rotate and rotate it to be the handlebar. Then press 3 on your key panel and drag it over to the gun. Then go into edit mode and go into and select the third box. Then select the whole bottom face and drag it down. Then drag it to the right so it looks like the handle. Then I'm going to select the whole cube because it's too small and resize it. Once you resize it, do the same thing but with the bigger cube this time. We have our hand and the body. Press Ctrl B to bevel the edge a little bit. Now we're going to press 1 on the keypad. Make sure we're in the front. Shift A again and make a cube. Then click Shift A, make a new cube, and drag down the cube to fit the size of the barrel. Drag the cube over to the body of the gun. Make sure it's all lined up. Then you're going to resize it to fit the picture. Make sure it's all lined up with the gun so it looks good. Then you're going to select the sizes and bring it in so you can match the body. Then you're going to select the top and drag it up so it fits the barrel. Then you're going to drag the bottom up too. So it looks just like the picture. Then do the edge mode. And select the edge of the barrel that's sticking out. Then press Ctrl B and bevel it down so it looks like it's shaping into here. Do the same for the top. Now we can go back into the face mode and drag it out so it fits the whole back. you're gonna move it so it fits this picture. Then you're gonna size it down. Then select the top part and drag it out. We're almost done with our gun, we just have to make the second handle. Press Shift A and make the last cube that you'll need for this project. Press S to size it down so it fits the gun. Then you're gonna go and drag it over to the second handle. Press S to resize it. Go into Edit. Then you're gonna select the left face of the wall and bring it out so it matches the gun second handle. Then you're gonna select the bottom and drag it down. Once it's dragged down fully, press R to rotate the edge, and you're gonna rotate it so it looks like it's slanted. Then you're gonna resize the edge, and you have your second handle.